Hi, I'm Kushali. Before starting to learn about trading and technical analysis, you should have chartlist platform for technical analysis and broker accounts. Let me introduce you to the first and very popular platform, Metastock. Especially capitalizing on technical analysis, it is both real-time and end-of-the-day versions. The second platform on which we will talk is Amibroker, and the third is TradingView. It will enhance your TradingView and improve your trading knowledge. How will it help you? The main things you need to know in this platform are the left panel and the right panel. In TradingView, you will know about introduction of drawing panel, side panel and the top panel. So let's start to know how to get familiar with TradingView. Here we go with TradingView in the Google search bar. Now you can see the first option. See the first site, that is the official of TradingView. So let's begin. This is what you're gonna see. You can see the whole TradingView homepage with different options. But as you all know, our focus is mainly on the chart option. Here we go. Boom, we have been traveled to the chart. Looks impressive? Not yet. This left hand side shows the toolbar which contains different charting tools that we use daily, can also be called as drawing panel. Now the right hand side shows the side panel with various notifying options which alerts and notifies us rapidly. The third one is the top panel that contains tools like indicators, time frames and many more. Do you want to go deeper? I'm sure you do. Let me tell you the objects in drawing panel: trendline, parallel channel, Elliott wave, Fibonacci retracement, etc. These are some basic tools in the panel. Now you all can spot my cursor on the chart. Let's select the trend line tool from the panel and from the left bottom drag the trend line upwards in the direction of the trend, keep it and set it. Again select the trend line tool and drag the trend line downwards from the point where we have left the previous trend. You have to keep this process of drawing trend lines going on according to the trend on the chart. Now go to the trend line tool and select the parallel channel tool. Parallel channel contains two trend lines which are never meeting at the adjoining point. This simply created the parallel channel. Now if you want to name anything on the chart, select the text tool and drag it where you want to name anything. You will get a dialog box on the screen like this. Edit the text on the basis of the information you want to show. Color and background of the text can also be selected. It's done. What more you could do? Generally, if you need to show any direction or the path, you can use the icon tool from the panel. Here it is. Select any icon, for example, the upward arrow, press the cursor where you want to direct it and set it. You can use these tools to show the trend going on in a perfect manner. Let's move to the pattern tool. Here I am selecting the Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Press the cursor like this at the points on the chart. There will be 5 points. Here is your Elliott wave. The next and the very important thing for the traders is the object tree, where you can move and hide and again make everything visible on the chart. Here you can also create groups, lock the tools and delete them. At the right hand side bottom, you can see the layered icon, which is our object tree. By clicking on it, you will see each drawing tool which you have used on the chart in a systematic manner. Select any one tool. You can see the eye icon on the side. Click on it, the object will disappear from the chart. You can do the same thing to all the tools and make them appear again on the screen by selecting every group on the object tree. All you can do is move the whole structure anywhere on the chart. Seems like magic. You can see the folder plus icon at the top. Select on it. You will get the group name. What you can do is select and rename as you wanna. For example, study 1. You can also hide and unhide the objects of the group by using a drop down list. Now let's create a new object which is a trend line. The new object is out of the group. The action to make invisible the group of all objects, but this won't affect the new object. As you can see, by clicking on the cross icon, it fades out. You can also cancel the folder which you have created earlier. It will also be gone. The next thing which is important to know is the favorite toolbar. Favorite toolbar makes it easy for you to move ahead quickly on the chart so that you can save the time to trade. The cursor moves and goes to the star. Any wonder what is it? It's my favorite toolbar. When you click on it, you can see a horizontal dialog box appear on the chart. In that, you will be able to save the preferred tools. For making any tool favorite, all you have to do is click on the tool. You will see the star on the right hand side. Click on it, it will be added to your list. You can also remove any tool at any time. It will save your clicks on the mouse. I have already saved the trend line tool in the favorites so that I can use it anytime without going to the drawing panel. It saves time if you count on it. Parallel channel is used frequently. Here I take my favorite tool. Let's dig to the bottom of the top panel where we will see various time frames, indicators and many more things. By clicking here, you can select any instrument you would like to present the chart about. For example, GBPUSD. I have clicked one of them. Here it shows the chart on GBPUSD. This is how it goes in the market. Here I selected the compare tool. With it, we can compare the prices of any two charts. This is how it shows on the screen. Now, if you wanna know the trend of the day, of an hour or any time frame, you can use this tool which contains every time frame. For example, I have selected a 4-hour time frame and you can see the trend of the 4 hours on the chart. You can always change the time frame as per your requirement. Time frame makes it easy for every one of us. If we're supposed to add indicators to the chart, select here and search the indicator you wanna use, such as moving average, RSI, volume. Here I have taken volume as an indicator to the chart. You can add your favorite indicators to the favorite option. We can even hide the indicator like this. The option appears on the left hand side. Can you spot the difference here? Yes, you can. The last one on which we are focusing is the stop charts. It helps to focus on basic and technical analysis with advanced fundamentals to trade successfully. Here we have some examples of more platforms.